This video, guys, I will show you how to buy items on Roblox. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Roblox like this. And after opening your Roblox, just go and click here. So after that, go click on Marketplace. And for me, for example, if I want to buy this item, just click on it. And when you click on it, click on this. And it's going to take you to this page. Click buy Robux and items. And that's all. You have to add your payment method from here, and that's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.